Hey everyone, it's Matt from Gulf Coast. Today we're at 3005 Chianti Court. This is a condominium complex. It's called the Villagio District Complex. It's located in Sarasota, just across the street from Edson Stadium and off of 12th Street. So take a look around. So we are on the second floor. We do have a lake view over here, access to the second floor. But we'll come on in. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. A little over 1,000 square feet, about 1,058, and we just got brand new flooring. Super nice liner point flooring here. Yeah, nice big living room. Show you this. And this looks out to the lake right here. So super nice view right there. Let me turn it around for you. Kitchen right off of the living room. And let me come on in here and I'll show you the master. And let me stop and show you the balcony as well. So you do have a private balcony. Excuse the mess real quick. Just finishing up the flooring as I was saying. So yeah, nice private lake view, covered balcony. Step into the master. You have the new flooring as well. Large walk-in closet. And ensuite with nice sliding glass doors and walk-in shower. Get over here. And I'll bring you back out. And I want to show you this right off the living room as well. It's a nice little study area. So this is great if you have a home office or if you're a college student nearby. This can be closed off and it can work perfectly as a little study slash storage room area. And we have the kitchen off of the living room. Nice open space. And let's go down the hall. Here we have the second bedroom. And again, real nice size for a second bedroom. Again, the new flooring throughout. Nice and bright. And we got 2 closets. Plenty of storage as well. Washer and dryer do come with the unit. And we have the second bathroom. And this tub was just resurfaced. So as you can see, we're still in the process of getting the faceplates back on. But nice brand new shiny tub. Take you back out one more time. And that's going to do it, excuse me, that's going to do it for 3005 Chianti Court. Again, this is located in Villagio. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo located in Sarasota, and the community does have a community pool, gym, tennis court, so it is a nice, and it's a gated community as well, so you have that security feature. For more information, go to our website at choosegolfcoast.com. Thank you.